What I want to advise the church people, if you want to comment, be balanced, be fair. Because I see some of the church people, they speak unfairly. They're always attacking the government, the government, the government, the government. Yes, the government may make mistakes. But how about the ones who are fighting the government? If they also make mistakes, why don't you talk about them? Why do you only talk about the government and not the ones who are attacking the government? Who are even attacking wananchi, like in Kampala here? People were being attacked for putting on NRM shirts. Women were being undressed. A big women were being undressed. But I have not heard church people talking about that. Instead they talk about army, police, what? Okay, the army may have their problems. But how about the ones who undressed a woman? I have not heard. I have not heard saying those who have been talking about this.